am I excited. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. A girl is excited. You know why a girl is excited? Cause she got a new unboxing, bitch. I got a new unboxing today. It's been a minute since my last unboxing video. I made a, if you guys haven't seen it already, I made a unboxing video of my first Air Force Nike Shadow shoes, and that video almost got 3,000 views. And I was just like, oh my god, I didn't know you guys like when I unbox shoes. Shit, I would have been doing that because I always buy shoes. What I got is the Pharrell and Adilette 2.0 sandal blue. Got these in the size blue.
What?
Just gonna unbox these. Ooh, girl. Summer's about to be lit. I'm about to come out with a outfit idea, like a outfit lookbook video for you guys too, because this time I'm not playing with this summer. Feel me? This summer we gonna be dripping. And that's on what? Period. Period. Ooh, the box is kind of beaten up. We are about to open the shoes up. I got these in the size 9 because these shoes are originally made big, so I was just like, I'm not gonna get size 10 then. So here is the reveal. Oh, it has that new, ooh, y'all. Everything is made in China, y'all, I swear. This is so nice. Okay, the first thing I can say is the design. I love how they have HU right here. Print, yo. No, this is fire. Okay, so I love how it has the imprint of the feet, like literally the feet. And like, I love how it has the stomach, kidneys. Nah, I gotta show y'all the trip, y'all, the trip. By the way, I did get the shoes from Goat. Hit up Goat because, and they make sure all of your sneakers are verified, make sure everything is real. They tell you what kind of shoes you're getting, how is your shoe box looking, if it's like in good condition or not, or if it's brand new. You can buy secondhand shoes from them. By the way, this video is not sponsored, I'm just saying, like, I like Goat. This was my first time shopping from them and it was lit, okay? It did kind of take long for my shoes to come, not gonna cap, but I had the patience, and yeah. I only bought it from them just to try out what it's like to buy from them, and I like it because like they make sure your shoes is real. They're actually bigger than I thought. So this is what they look like. Like, this is what they look like beside my head. It's crazy. I gotta show y'all a close up. Like, this is what the back looks like. The sides, back. Have the Adidas logo right here and right here. This blue is very pretty, by the way. And then you can see the design a little in the front. Guys, this is my favorite part. Like the inside, it shows you all about your organs, where they are on your feet. That's amazing. That's pretty cool to me. Like right here it says kidney, right here it says liver, pancreas, stomach. Like, that's dope. And it's literally the imprint of your feet. It's kind of indented for your feet to be comfortable. So if you're like looking for sandals, so if you're looking for sandals that is very comfortable but stylish at the same time, you go, girl. These are it. And the price that I paid for these in the size 9 was $120. So I have them on and they feel pretty sturdy on my feet, but yeah, I like the back of this also. But wearing the shoes in general, the way how it's shaped, I just feel like it's not for everyone's feet because everyone's feet is shaped different. And the way how this is shaped is definitely not for me at all. Or maybe I just need to try it on again and wear it, but I don't know. And then I got blue, which is not a very realistic color because blue doesn't go with everything. But I also got blue because I thought it was really pretty. It's a pretty blue, but I don't really like it. Don't get me wrong, this shoes is very comfortable, but I don't know. One negative thing I can say about this definitely that I don't like with it is that you can't like really fix the straps. Like, can't really change the straps at all. I mean, right here stretches, but that's about it. And this is as much stretching as you're gonna get. And the back doesn't stretch. So it's not a very realistic shoes for everyone. And see, what's another thing I can say? When you have your feet in this, like the whole design is gone. I have it on and you can't see the design at all. So yeah. Do I regret buying them? Kind of, but not really. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. You know, get to know my channel because you'll be seeing more videos like this. Subscribe, you feel me? Subscribe and comment down below what you think, and hit that post notification bell so you will be notified every time I post. And yeah, see y'all in my next video.